Hi guys, I'm Jennifer-Biana and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, TikTok, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. In this video, I show you guys my morning routine in New York City in my first apartment, my studio loft apartment. I just filmed it this morning and you'll see my whole process, so you'll see my apartment also in a way, only the downstairs. I don't really use the upstairs that much. So yeah, if you want to see my morning routine, keep watching. Hi guys, this is my morning routine. So every morning I wake up and I just exist. I mean, yeah, but also like I wake up surrounded by like 7 fluffy blankets on my queen size memory foam bed. It's lovely. I love my sleeping arrangement here. It's amazing. But I give myself exactly 30 minutes of TikTok time, you know, just to wake up listening to crazy TikToks. It really wakes you up, you know? Just being blasted by really ridiculous music and crazy facial expressions really brings me into this world alive and ready for the day. Let's get up. So first things first, my cat is going crazy. So I have to feed her first things first in the morning. Hey guys, this is my bathroom. It's super small, so that's why I never film in it. I shower at night, so I'm not a morning shower person. And I could turn on the lights, but then there would be a sound. And I actually don't face wash in the morning. So the only thing I go in with in the morning is this Mario Badescu drying lotion. I'm already like literally running out. Like I use this so much. So I just like go in every pimple of mine, like just dip the brush in because I don't have any Q-tips, and just like apply it to like every pimple of mine. It is amazing and I love it. And if I'm ever having like a really bad breakout, like right now I kind of am, so I would go on top with that, and then I would also go on top with this Mario Badescu like drying lotion too, or drying cream actually, and I'll plop like them on top and keep this on all day. And then I also spray my hair with a lot of repairing spray. So right now I'm going to use the white wine inspired 10-in-1 leave-in spray by Unwind. So I actually meditate in the morning. So I actually used to hate meditation. I graduated college with a theater and biology degree, and for theater, for some reason, we would always meditate, and I absolutely hated it. And I think I just had to get to a really mentally unstable time in my life to really appreciate meditation. So lately, girly girls, I've been appreciating meditation. No, but it's been so great. It really like centers me and like makes me think about what I'm grateful for. It makes me really in the moment and takes away a lot of anxiety and stress. Every time I meditate, I feel so much better afterwards. I do it mostly on the weekends because that's when I have time to really meditate. Okay, so I have put on shorts. Anyways, I'm gonna make my bed. I wish I did this every day, but realistically I do not. But if people are coming over, I definitely make my bed. It's a little bit of a process, but honestly, whenever I make my bed, it feels better. So I try really hard to make my bed more often because it makes me feel cleaner. And I don't make my bed every day, honestly, as I should, but my mom's coming to work. She comes to work and help me out like 2 times a week. So I try to make my apartment a little bit nicer. And this is my bed made. Now is when we use Vivoo. I am so excited. I just did my makeup and I love this. I'm so excited to share Vivoo with everyone on here because I love this product. Like I love knowing what's going on in my body, as I bet anyone would. Like it's good to know like if you're missing water, if you're missing a nutrient, if you're missing like exercise, which I'm definitely missing that. So Vivoo is technically at-home urine strips for personalized nutrition and lifestyle advice. So it's like a little dietitian in your pocket, you know? So you could track wellness, hydration, pH, nutrition, infections, ketones, UTIs, and kidney and liver functions. Like, how crazy is that just from peeing on this? Like, that's insane. And the app is so easy to use, and it literally gives you everything you need to know. It is amazing. So Vivoo translates your urine information into personalized nutrition and lifestyle advice that could easily fit in your daily routine, which is why I like to do it in the morning. And also, all of the Vivoo advice has been prepared by registered dietitians, nutritionists, and doctors. And again, I love the app. It's so easy to use, so let's do it. Let's get it to it. They're gonna be like, stop drinking so much coffee. Also, I do have a code for you guys for 20% off. It's Jennifer, it's right here. The link will be in the description below. If you want your own set, I totally recommend. Again, I've been using them for a long time now. I really, really like them, and I think it's important. Let's be healthy queens together. So for Vivoo, you could add your goals as well of what you are mainly focused on, you know? For me, I think it'd be like weight loss, learn about my body. So here it gives you exact instructions on how to use the app. Okay, let me just take the test first. I will be right back. Here is one of the strips, and the instructions are on the back as well. So here's what it looks like. And the goal is urinate on all the boxes of the strip while midstream. Do not urinate on the strip more than a few seconds. Then wait 120 seconds, and then the app has like a little timer. So I'm gonna go do that and be right back. Okay guys, I just peed. It's counting down the seconds. Here's my pee. I hope you guys really like this visual. And now I'm just waiting to count down to see. So let's wait. I like that they have the timer. The app is like really easy to use. It's like insanely easy to use. I love it. They gave you all the instruction. They were like, also take a picture of the strip with like a light color background. So I'll just do it obviously on this paper towel. Are you ready to learn more about your body? Yes. Okay. I'm well hydrated. That's surprising. Optimal hydration provides better physical performance. Okay, cool. Your urine is slightly alkaline, which is, yeah, I actually do have a couple like urine problems, to be honest. No sign of an infection. That's good. Let's go. Great. Oh, my kidney is looking great. That's amazing. Liver function, your liver looks great. Yeah, I don't drink too much, so. No UTIs. Let's go. So then here, it gives you like advice, which is so cool. So veggies over salt, unsalt your snacks, choose no salt. Yeah, I actually do eat a lot of salt. It's not great. You should enrich your snacks with fruit and milk together for a ketone. Your urine pH is slightly alkaline. Brown rice can help. Ooh, maybe I should order brown rice then. I have white rice, but no, I should order brown rice. Eating more protein is simple and a delicious way to boost metabolism. Yeah, I don't eat enough protein, so add a scoop of boiled quinoa to your green salad to get the health benefits. Yeah, I should. And you could like add reminders, which is cool. And then again, if you go into one of your things, you could like read more about it, which I will be doing after this video heavily because I really like to know what's going on in my body, because how else would we know, you know? So I'm gonna read more into that. It'll show your history of all the other past things you've done. You could order strips, more how to use. Well, glad to know that I'm kind of healthy. So this is about time that I bring my laptop to my table. It's my dining table, but it's also my work table. Okay, let's make coffee. And I use almond milk. And I do have a frother, but I feel like frothers don't work well with almond milk, or maybe it's the brand I get. I don't know. So I'm not like super hungry in the morning, so I actually have this last orange, so I might just have that. That's so sad, but I eat more like throughout the day, especially night, bro. I go off at night, which is not great. So my job is actually social media. I work for a lot of brands managing their social media as well as obviously my own. So I work remotely in my apartment, creating content, editing content,
and managing social media accounts for brands, which is so funny how I got here. Literally started because of YouTube, so I'm super grateful for all of you guys for supporting me because you allow me to do what I love and something I didn't even know I loved. But I'm so grateful and I love my job. It could be a lot. I run my own business, so it's a lot of work, but I absolutely love it. So this is what I do. I do a lot of emailing and filming and editing, so much editing. The Adobe suite and me, we are best friends, or the worst enemy sometimes. I work for a majority of my day, sometimes till 12 a.m., just like I'm doing right this second. It is 12:10 a.m. Last thing I do to get ready for the day, if I'm ever going out, for today I was doing my makeup because I was filming this video and a couple other videos. But if I'm ever going out, makeup is always part of my routine. So this is me doing my makeup real quick, and once my makeup is done, I'm good to go for the day.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out Vivoo in the link below and use my code for 20% off. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Vivoo, for sending these to me. Thank you. Check them out.